Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over silver. Today we are up 1.3% and the market is currently closed. On the 1 hour chart we are touching overbought RSI and the 1 hour MACD is positive. On the 4 hour chart we approach positive MACD and we are near overbought RSI on the 4 hour chart. On the daily chart we started to see convergence. However, we're still negative on the MACD, but I do see us turning positive on the MACD very soon. And as indicated, today we have a volume spike much higher than what we've seen in the past couple of days. So that is a positive sign that this upward pressure is in place, and the next resistance will be where we left off back in September 23rd. So I'll mark that as our immediate resistance. And as for support, if we were to head down lower, the next support will be this 100-day moving average, which is at around the price of $16.80. And there's also a price concentration around that level as well. So that is our support. So if we were to move on higher, that price movement is roughly around 5% to the upside, and to the downside is roughly 5.5% to the downside. So let's head to the forecast model. This forecast model is now available in the link below for free, so check it out. So back to the forecast, I'll go day by day where silver will head to in the next coming days. So we have 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So which one of these models we should focus on? Ideally, the model that is the best match to the current trend. We have the current trend right here. And below it is a trend that I believe is the best match. And this dates back to August 14, 2017 to October 23rd, 2017. So let me point why these two charts are similar. So what we have in the beginning of the trend, we average above the middle Bollinger Band. And then we proceeded to head down lower to touch the bottom Bollinger Band right there. And then finally, after touching the bottom Bollinger Band, we do manage to revert back to the mean and manage to near the upper Bollinger Band. So we have those points there. And right here, we start to see us average above the middle Bollinger Band as well in the beginning of the trend. Below it, we touch the bottom Bollinger Band. After that, we see it revert back to the mean and then touch the upper Bollinger Band as indicated in the current trend. So what we have is 1, 2, 3 points. We also have 1, 2, 3 points. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are the same. The outcome and forecast should be fairly the same. So back then, the trend that we just examined was down around, silver was down around 2.3%. So we may see sideways price action, but I do favor to the upside. Again, this is a forecast where silver head to back then in 2007, so do note that. So that is all. If you want this forecast model, it is now available in the link below for free, so check it out. If you enjoy this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.